Right, okay, good afternoon everyone. It's Friday the 11th of February 2022. I'm over at Princess Parade, which is the docks in Liverpool, to have a look at the new Isle of Man ferry terminal that's being built. I think this is my third episode, of this since I started doing it. We are just over a week later than after the last video, just because of the weather. I was supposed to do it yesterday, but we had a strange day where we had 40-mile-an-hour gusts of wind again, so can't be getting the drone up in that. So anyway, I'm down here. There's another. Every time I've come to do this, there's been a big ship in dock, so there's another one again. But anyway, I'm not going that way, I'm going that way. So let me let you have a look at it over there. So that's where I think that's got to be the main ferry terminal right there that you can see, just over that silver car. So there's more steels on there, I can see already. There's more steels on there since the last time. It's been, like I say, it's been 9 days I think, since the last video. So I can already see a little change. There's not loads, so depending on what I see when I get up there, this might be a relatively short video. So I will keep doing them weekly, but until there's loads to see, so to speak, they'll just be relatively, shorter than my other videos. But they'll still be there, so we can still catch the progress. So let's get the drone in the air and take a look at it. This is the new Isle of Man ferry terminal, Liverpool, on the 9th of February 2022. Let's get up there. Okay, so there we go. That was the new Isle of Man ferry terminal on the 9th of February 2022. There's a lot more steels in that on that main terminal building, isn't there? There's some floors and or ceilings in there as well that were quite evident to see, that I'm pretty sure weren't on the last one. So that's loads of progress on that. That must be pretty much done almost now, I'd say. You know, it's quite a big terminal building that, and I'd guess that's, you know, the length and width and height of it is probably done. Maybe they're just adding a few more steels, you know, to the top or something. It looked like they were doing today. But yeah, if anybody knows, anybody working on it, please do let me know. Yeah, we'll pop up here and have a little closer look. We turn you around so you can see what I'm looking at. There you go. This is like the back of it. There you go. See, you can see that structure. There's stairs in there as well. I can see there's stairs, half a staircase anyway, going up to the 3rd floor. Yeah, so I think that terminal building's really getting there. You know, the core structure of it, obviously it's not going to be left like that, is it? It'll be a pretty cold building. So yeah, it's looking good. The bridge hasn't moved at all. I went over and had a look at that. I tried to follow the ferry over there. You know, you see on the video, because I will get some of it in, that I followed the ferry to go over and have a look at the bridge that is right along the dock. But I got a lot of interference. I completely lost signal to the drone at one point. So that'll be because of the water, you know, the signals coming off the ferry and that, probably, I don't know. But anyway, yeah, I tried to get that in and then go over and have a look at the bridge, see if it's moved, but no movements on that yet. So yeah, we'll keep an eye on it anyway. So as I say, that was the new Isle of Man ferry terminal in Liverpool on the 9th of February 2022. I'll keep an eye on that one. I will come over and have another look next week, because that terminal building's coming on well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Please subscribe to keep up to date with the videos, okay? Thanks a lot, guys. Take care.